Welcome back to myself. Yes, I was lost for quite a while. क्यों? क्योंकि there was a lot going on in my life. I did record few series of events which I'm gonna add after I record this bit. Today is Monday 15th of June and I want to recompose my body by 15th of October. Now, to be honest, there are a lot of things going on in my life. There have been few lifestyle changes and it is always so difficult for me to follow a certain routine, right? मतलब अगर मैंने ये डिसाइड किया है कि सुबह मैं इतने बजे ये करूँगी, उतने बजे वो कभी नहीं होता है. और अगर वो चलता भी है तो 21 दिन तो कभी नहीं चलेगा कंटिन्यूअसली. In fact, I realized that when I was in the hospital, yes, I was admitted in the hospital twice. Now, while I was there was a routine that I was following and I had enough time to do so. Do things for, let's say कि मुझे COD खेलना है ब्रेक में, मैं कर सकती हूँ. मुझे काम का टाइम चाहिए, मेरे पास वो है. मुझे बुक्स पढ़ने हैं, मैं वो कर सकती हूँ. मुझे मेकअप करना है, मैं वो कर सकती हूँ. सुबह उठ के मुझे फ्रेशन अप होना है, रेडी होना है. आई कैन डू दैट. बट वेन एवर आई एम होम इट इज़ जस्ट नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी बिकॉज कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहता है एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक दैट. सो आई नीड टू फिक्स दैट थिंग. My solution is I need to hire a caretaker. Now, hiring a caretaker is also something that I am trying to do since quite a while. Now, Siliguri is a very small town. तो काम वालियों का क्या है ना, इधर की बातें उधर, उधर की बातें इधर. ये लड़की वो है, वो लड़की है इधर. मेरे सामने she will be very nice and the moment she is going दूसरे के घर में she will talk shit about me. I don't want ऐसा पंचायत going on. I want somebody जो ऐसे सुबह से शाम तक रहे. मैं उसको उसके टाइम के लिए पेमेंट दूंगी कि जो सुबह के 9 बजे से या फिर सुबह के 6 बजे से तो 6 बजे तक है मेरे पास, मैं तेरे को पेमेंट उसके लिए दूंगी. तू काम कर, ठीक है? अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट या अभी जो करंट मेरी वाली है शी इज़ वेरी स्वीट एंड ऑल बट शी इज़ नॉट एफिशिएंट एट ऑल. ज़ीरो एफिशिएंसी. एंड अभी मेरे बजट में नहीं है कि मैं एक प्रॉपर काम वाली एटलीस्ट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, क्योंकि आई कांट इवन मैनेज माई फाइनेंसेस. दैट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. आई ऑलवेज स्ट्रगल विद देम. सो अभी क्या मेरा ऑल दिस वाइल आई वॉज ब्रोक बिकॉज जितने भी मैंने सेविंग्स किए थे सब मैंने उड़ा दिए बिकॉज I was influenced by very irresponsible company. I hope that bitch. I'm not going to talk shit about anybody. I try not to anyway, even though they are like shit. But anyway, that is not the point. The point is, abhi I had the surgery exactly 1 month ago on 15th of May. My gallbladder was surgically removed because उसमें एक stone form हो रहा था, बड़ा होता जा रहा था बहुत ही rapidly. So surgery was very necessary. उसके होने के बाद I have seen that after surgery if you're not active there is a tendency कि तुम मोटा हो जाओगे. And me who rapidly lost 14 kgs of weight in a span of 3 months, I think I really need to become active क्योंकि almost 1 साल हो गया है मेरे rapid weight loss का. Now the thing is, क्योंकि वो rapid weight loss हुआ था मेरा, I lost nutrients from my body. ठीक है, like मेरे hair fall होने लगे हैं. उसके लिए भी I saw a solution. There is this thing called trials, but I want to try it out and if it works out then of course, even though I have only 19 subscribers, I feel like I owe them content. Hey! Anyway, and that's why I think whatever experiments I'll do, whether it's with my lifestyle, whether it's my routine, a financial routine, or anything that I do, if it's trying to fix myself, recomposing my body, I think I need to share it with the world. If I'm not sharing it with the world, at least I'll upload it so that it's recorded somewhere, so that I'm not lost. I just don't want to get lost. So right now, अभी कुछ महीने, let's say कि 1 महीने से I have realized कि मेरी energy ऐसे गुम हो रही है कहीं पे. Like there is a certain leak that is happening और मेरे को energy नहीं मिल रहा है. मेरे को energy नहीं मिल रहा है ढंग के काम करने के लिए, right? So what happened today was I decided कि आज मैं figure out करके रहूँगी कि मेरी एनर्जी गुम कहाँ हो रही है. सो मैं पूरे ऐसे एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन मोड में थी, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रही थी until that particular event happened and I realized कि oh, this is why I have been losing my energy. And now that I've identified it, I think I will not do it anymore. But the thing is, वो चीज़ ऐसी है जो मैं शेयर नहीं कर पाऊँगी. But if you guys can guess it right, sure, let's play the guess game, why not. Now another thing, क्योंकि ये इतना मेरा एनर्जी खा रहा था, I could realize कि मैंने जो ये जिम चालू किया, मेरे को उसके लिए भी एनर्जी नहीं मिल रहा था. Okay, now it's been only like a week, right? Today is my 4th day at gym. Last week मैं 3 दिन गई थी, which is I think ample, क्योंकि मेरे को सर्जरी के बाद एटलीस्ट 1 महीना शांति से बैठने को कहा था, जो मेरे से हुआ नहीं, और हेयर फॉल भी हो रहे हैं. Now another thing that I have inculcated in my daily routine कि हर बार नहाने के बाद सनस्क्रीन पोतना है, ज़्यादा पोतना है. Now मैं बस I was just comparing कि पिछला वाला कंटेनर और दूसरा वाला. Now Foxtail, I think this is a new brand, but their products are actually good. I like it. I even have इनके retinol serum. I think it's really good. It kind of helps. मेरे जो open pores थे वो गायब हुए. Now this is important because all throughout my life, I चाहे वो स्कूल का असेंबली लाइन हो या फिर कॉलेज के ग्राफिटी असाइनमेंट्स हो, I have subjected myself to immense sun damage. And I am 25 now. मेरी body naturally collagen नहीं produce करेगी. So I have to make sure that I'm doing everything to protect my skin because I want to look young. I don't want to age. Now don't judge me. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. And we are done. भी निकल ही रहे हैं तो थोड़ा ऐसे फुल फ्लेजेड ही हो जाता है ना. I know what I did. मैंने ये लिपस्टिक के ऊपर लगाया था, तब से ये फाइनली परफ्यूम. And we are good to go. Anyway, that is all that I have to say. Sayonara. Just take a look at the stitched mini vlogs that I did. I think you guys will enjoy it. Bye. See you soon. I had to do this because I am a mess. I have been having extremely low energy days. I have been stressed out too much. I cannot sort my priorities. I have been having extreme brain fog. I really think that I need to get the fuck up and hold myself accountable. My house is literally a mess right now. I need a shower desperately, but I'm so lazy. I just don't want to get up. I don't know what has happened to me. I'm not like this usually. So I'm gonna get up. I'm gonna clean house at least a little bit, and I'm gonna take a shower. Let's do it. This is so depressing. This is not how I'm supposed. Why is my hair anti-gravity? I need to get a hold of myself. My room is a mess. It's a mess. Literally a mess. What are you doing? The lighting is so off. Anyway, I was saying that everything is a mess. And my bed was a mess. I think the lighting is better now. And I fixed my bed. Yay! But, so, yeah, this happened. So I think I'm gonna, this is a nice opportunity, you know. I'm just gonna fix my entire Almira. I think this is good. I think this is a really good thing, and we are going to do it. So I basically got too lazy. So I just put everything back inside the Almira, just like how it was. There's no point in struggling to do something when you don't have the energy anyway. Okay, now we're gonna take a bloody shower. But before that, we have something to do. Now, before getting into the shower, I completed 2 errands. I cleaned up the cat area. Of course, it needs to be cleaned up. And the second thing that I did was prepare my cat food. So by the time I'm done taking a shower, I can serve the food to them. And it was raining. Now it's simply, I don't know, very windy and drizzling. I just wanted to show everybody. This is how it looks like. Yeah. It used to be greener, but that's all that's left of this. So all the best, people. I've been talking about global warming, but you guys never give a fuck. Plant trees. Plant trees. Every time you feel sick, I think you should plant trees. Yeah, because every time you're feeling sick, it's because probably you're not getting enough oxygen. And you're not getting enough oxygen because you don't have enough trees around you. So the only way to be good is to plant trees. Anyway, I gotta go. Hunter did give me a bite on my nose. So I'm gonna go take a shower. I'm gonna wash my hair today. Because what the actual fuck. And yeah, shower has to be the best feeling. I'm done with it, and now I'm gonna clothe myself up. I feel so fresh.